So I just got this package from TikTok Live Shop. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Look at that, a neckband for my POV vlogs. I've been wanting one of these forever. It looks pretty sturdy too, which is important. And here are the instructions, always helpful to have those handy. Okay, let me get this out of its packaging. This thing feels really well made. Definitely not flimsy like some other cheap ones. Alright, now we need to attach it to my camera. Easy peasy. Just clip it on like so, perfect fit. Now, let's try it on. Make sure everything's secure. There we go, all set. Time to test it out in action. Let's take a quick tour around my room. Here's my bed, still messy from last night. Don't judge me. And over there, my trusty green screen setup, always ready. For a new background, oh, and check. Out my closet, full of clothes but still nothing to wear today. Classic. Back to the desk where the magic happens. My recording station. Gotta love good lighting. And finally, back to the chair where you guys will be seeing most of me soon. So yeah, that's basically my whole setup. Pretty simple, right? What do you think of the new neckband? Let me know in the comments below if you want to see more POV content with this bad boy. Seriously though, this was such an easy purchase and super convenient through TikTok Live Shop. The link is in my description if you're interested. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to follow for more tech reviews and behind the scenes videos. Peace out.